What up, family? 9 million J family in the house. Welcome back to the channel. If you've been here before, welcome to the channel. If you ain't never been here before, but thanks for tuning in. Go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. If you don't like it after watching the rest of the video, go ahead and hit the thumbs down button. I don't care. But go ahead and interact with a player. You feel me?
You gotta hit the thumbs up button twice. Actually, three times.
That may cancel it out. Shit.
Just
do it one time.
Yeah, 3 times.
What you can do though is hit that notification bell so you get notified when I drop these videos.
This is why people get into fights. See that shit?
What happened?
He was stopping at the top of the hill or up there.
Oh, he stopped.
Everybody,
probably all on his phone and shit.
That's why motherfuckers get into fights, man.
I got a call from a flyer that I put out at one of these apartment complexes. The guy calls me and said that he needs some stuff removed, and I just happened to be right down the street at that time. So I stopped by and gave him a quote real quick, and he hired me on the spot. So told him I'll be back later on this afternoon. It is now later on this afternoon, and we getting ready to go handle that. But first, my brother right here, J Family, plugged me with a landlord that needs some stuff removed from one of her properties. Getting ready to go check that out now. Chatted with her real quick, you know, on the telephone, you dig, and I just set up a time this afternoon to come give her a quote estimate, and then we'll do that removal at Buddy's house, and then I have a dolly set up for after that. I say about an hour or so after that removal. So pretty busy evening getting to these dollars. So I was saying before, it's like it's magic for some and tragic for others.
Yeah.
Some people need help getting to this cheese, I guess. I don't know what it is, but hopefully I'm motivating somebody out there to do their thing. Because if you notice, one thing that has been a trend in my videos is I've been progressively working towards goals and shit, like and chipping away at these motherfuckers, you feel me?
I'ma go ahead, why not? I'ma get paid, why not? I'ma do my thing, why not? Do the money thing, why not?
Money all in my pocket, money all in my pocket. I got money all in my pockets. I'm counting all of these profits.
I'ma go ahead, why not? I'ma get paid, why not? I'ma do my thing.
Alright, famo, as you see, that's the little pile that they want removed. I'm not sure if I got that pile of shingles out front, but they wanted to throw that in as well. So yeah, that's a quick little, it won't be too quick because this is a decent little pile and it's dirty.
Dirty.
And, yeah, so it takes time, you know what I mean? But anyway, I'm just joking. Tomorrow, yeah, I set it up for tomorrow to get that done, and I got a couple of U-Box deliveries to do in the morning as well, so I'll do that junk removal right after that. So anyhow, thanks for rocking. Just finished up there, gave them that quote, got that job. Now we off to job number, I think it's job number 3, something, I forget, I don't know. Peace. Alright, fam, just pulled up to this jizzard. We got some whatchamacallit, what you call that stuff? Sandbags. So I figured now it's as good a time as any to pull out my Sanford and Sons. My Crucial Conflicts. These my Crucial Conflicts right here. G, you don't know nothing about that. Measure like a barn type shit.
Bro, it must be really dirty.
Wow.
You ain't trying to warn me about all this.
Ain't that dirty. but dirty enough for me to do this. I'm thinking is pretty much already done with this shit except for those damn sandbags. And I don't have no fucking garbage can to put the sand in and stuff to get them up out of here. And the bags are all brittle, breaking apart, you feel me? So, I don't know, man. Let's see what we can finagle. Use this Dolly some type of way. Come on with it.
Because even you get it here, you would still have to transport it from here onto the truck.
You can put it onto the pallets. No, you take the whole, try to pick the whole tray up.
Ain't gonna work, bro.
And dump it onto the...
Ain't gonna work. It's gonna be too heavy. I would say the cleanest way to do it, you go grab some trash bags, and then just start transferring it over to trash bags. Even if you got 20 little trash bags, I'm gonna do it. But it'd be a cleaner cleanup. It'd be a quicker and cleaner cleanup.
You need a Target or something there.
I mean, wherever you guys need to go.
Alright, y'all. Yeah, I am. We gotta run to Target real quick and go get some heavy duty bags to clean up the sand because the bags that they're in is way too brittle. So, yeah, that's what we finna do. Target, then back, finish up, then go on to this next one. Peace. Alright, fam, so we just got up here to North County. It's like clear skies up here. It was raining down where we was at. But yeah, anyway, gonna pick up this mattress and box spring and drive it to its final destination. Sorry, I wasn't able to show y'all the last of that last junk removal, but
They didn't want to see it.
my battery died, so had to charge this bad boy up. Just not pulling up to these people's house for this delivery. I want to change. I need to change about it, this stuff real quick though.
Yeah, you good.
Hustling, baby. Working for my business, Dolly, your business, you name it. Give me some money, I go get it. Show me where it said I go get it. That's better statement.
Oh, shoot.
Put me in the game, coach.
Hey, you look pretty spiffy in your Dolly outfit.
Yeah.
Looking like you want to snitch on somebody right now.
Shit ain't funny.
Show it. Looking like you want to lift Dolly somebody right now.
All of 10 minutes to get this shit going, and it was cool. See, that's why I do these dollies and stuff, because this lady, we're helping her. She just sold this mattress, and she said she is an interior designer, and she's always staging houses, and she doesn't like to use these apps, so she wants to come to somebody directly.
Let me get it.
Right here. She don't like to use the apps and stuff. She want to call somebody directly. That'll be me, y'all. slid her a card. She said she'd be in touch. What's that? Oh.
Off of my I've been 10 minutes.
No worries.
That's fine. Yeah, that's perfect.
It's good? Okay.
Yeah. Because I ate my son's, because he's 16 and he's done with the toy mattress, so.
Okay.
Merry Christmas, kid.
Alright, family. Back at home with the family.
So, hey, Daddy.
Hey, the baby. See the baby, y'all. What she eat?
Apples and prunes, because she needs to regulate.
Apples and prunes so she can regulate. Yeah, she liking it too. Ain't that right, baby? Ain't that right, the baby? She just learned how to smack. She love that shit. That's how we know she like it. Anyway, thanks for tuning in. Go ahead, hit that like button, subscribe, notification bell, all that. See y'all on the next rip. Peace.